The scissors.
The scissors.
That's for carrying your baby in.
The baby.
And you can go grocery shopping. Oh, move your fingers, please. Oh, there's some stuff in here already. Wow! Wow! Look at that! That's cool!
Will they fit the air?
I don't know if you can fit in there.
I think that might be for your baby, honey.
Yeah. Here we go. Here's some food. Maybe we should stick his head in first.
To take your head in first.
Yeah, there we go. There.
Say Merry Christmas, Grandma and Grandpa.